What's up, property investors? I quickly wanted to let you know that we've got quite a lot of inquiries from international property investors that specifically wants to invest in the Western Cape here in South Africa. Inquiries from places like the United Kingdom, Canada, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Namibia, United States. And these international property investors are asking three main questions at the moment. The first one is, what type of strategy do they follow? Do they follow a more traditional long-term buy-to-let strategy? Do they focus on short-term rentals? Second one is, how do they optimize their rental in their portfolio? How do they get the highest possible rental? And thirdly, what type of structuring do they use? Do they buy through a company? Can they register a company in South Africa as an international property investor? Do they buy in their own names? These are the three main questions we're seeing, right? So if you're an international property investor that specifically wants to invest in the Western Cape, in the Cape Town area here in South Africa, and you're looking for someone that's already built up a portfolio, that's already coaching and assisting people to optimize their portfolio here in the Cape Town, I want you to drop the words Western Cape in the comment section, and myself and my team will reach out to you. We'll schedule a free discovery call and take you through the whole process that the process we follow to help international and local property investors to invest here in South Africa. See you on the other side.